Hi, I'm Jim Zwack from the Davey Institute, North America's premier tree research laboratory, and today we're talking trees. After a long day of work, deadlines, and other responsibilities, sometimes you need a nice break. Walking into your backyard can transport you to a peaceful and private oasis with the right landscape. Today I'm joined by one of our local experts, ISA certified arborist John Powell. So John, can you tell us how trees can help homeowners create natural privacy for their landscape?
Thanks, Jim. Absolutely. First, you must set some goals and then determine what sights and sounds you'd like to change on your property. If you're trying to block a large area that borders a street or neighboring property, evergreen hedges are a great place to start. You can plant them in a row or use a method of staggering the plants. Some varieties of plants are also designed to be close together so they can grow into a living fence. Shrubs and ornamental grasses can give you more privacy as well as help you with sounds. Research has shown that the presence of plants and trees can increase soothing sounds from nature while decreasing noise from humans. Before you start planting, there are some things you must think about when choosing your trees. First, consider the tree's mature size and not just the size at the time of planting. Next, look at pest and disease issues, sun and soil requirements, maintenance needs, and even the deer resistance capabilities of the tree specific to your area, so you are matching the best plants to your site. Finally, look at the timing of your planting. Trees are best planted in spring or fall before the ground freezes. There are many options when it comes to choosing tree and plant varieties. If you'd like more information, please go online at blog.davey.com and check out all our recommendations.
That's great information, John. Privacy screens take proper planning, plant selection, and of course, time. But the sooner you get started, the sooner you can enjoy the peace and quiet. If you need help, contact your local professional arborist for guidance. As always, thanks for talking trees.